Hi, my name is Robin, and I want to walk you through what I love about these Addlon LED outdoor string lights. This is the 48-foot set, and you can see how it goes all along this back lower section of my house, and we just have it going down to a pole made for holding outdoor lights, and it just goes a little bit further. Look at the warm, beautiful lights. This was the 4th of July when I took this, so you can see we have fireworks in the background. We used clips to put this up, but first, the way we did it, we went ahead and got it up without any of the bulbs in, just so that we weren't banging the bulbs around unnecessarily. But then it was just as simple as deciding how close we wanted them, and again, we used clips that really helped the process as well. Once we got the cord situated just the way we wanted it, my husband went through and just screwed on each light bulb, and these are really heavy-duty, nice light bulbs. They're LED, so they're meant to last a long time. This has just made our patios sing. It's so dreamy, it's so beautiful, very, very fun to have these on. So yeah, I love this set. It has been a total winner, and I absolutely recommend it. Thanks.